This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting essentials ready. Power on your Xbox, open the Xbox app on your phone, and sign into the same Microsoft account on both. Once done, make sure both devices share the same Wi-Fi network. This allows device discovery and low latency. Also check for system updates on the console, and AppSo compatibility is guaranteed. Now that prerequisites are complete, head into the Apps Devices or Console tab to detect your Xbox. This begins the connection process. You'll pair the phone and console by selecting your Xbox from the Apps Console or Devices list and tapping Connect. If prompted, allow the app through the Xbox's notifications and enable remote play or game streaming in settings. This opens ports and authorizes the session. Next, configure streaming quality based on your network. Pick Automatic for stability, High for better visuals, or Data Saver if you have a capped plan. Make sure controller pairing is active, so input is sent from your phone to the Xbox. You're ready to start. Tap Stream or Remote Play in the app and launch a game. Test that touch controls or a paired controller register immediately. If you experience lag or drops, reduce streaming bitrate, move closer to the router, or switch the Xbox to wired Ethernet for stability. When connections fail entirely, reboot the phone and console, sign out and back into the Microsoft account, and repair the devices. This usually clears stale sessions. One quick tip: toggling remote play off and on often resolves persistent handshakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.